Do you think young Filipinas are too immature and hard to handle in relationships? In your opinion, what's a good age for a Filipina to settle down, get married, and have children?
I'm not in the relationship, ma'am, because I know for myself that I don't know how to handle it.
Would you recommend an older foreigner date a Filipina in her early 20s? Ay, ma'am, excuse me. Pwede ka po ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. 3 questions lang. Okay lang? Sige. What's your name and age?
Judy Ann, and I'm 27, ma'am.
You look so young. You're 27. Couldn't believe that. Okay. Well, anyway, Julian, here's the question. Do you think young Filipinas are too immature and hard to handle in relationships?
Maybe yes, ma'am, because madali po silang madali po silang matukso or parang basic lang sa kanila maano po.
Filipinas are easily they get seduced easily. Tukso. Okay, so that's why you think that Filipinas are too immature and hard to handle in relationships because Filipinas are easily to get seduced. Okay.
Po.
How about you?
I'm not like that. Yes po. I'm not belong for that Filipina, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes po.
In your opinion, what's a good age for a Filipina to settle down, get married, and have children?
Maybe 30 or 28 or 30, ma'am. If you have a job,
That's a good age to settle down if you have job. 28 years old to 30 years old.
if you have a stable job na, ma'am.
Are you single or in a relationship?
Single po.
How long have you been single?
10 months po. Yes.
And are you like a pharmacist?
Pharmacy assistant lang po.
What's your name and age?
I'm Francine and I'm 19 years old.
How are you tonight, Francine?
I'm fine. How about you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. You're the very first one to ask me that question. But anyway, here's the question, Francine. Do you think young Filipinas are too immature and hard to handle in relationships?
I would say yes because there are a lot of young people who are in the relationship but they don't really know how to handle relationship.
How about you? Are you too immature and hard to handle in relationship?
I would say, ma'am, yes for now. That's why I'm not in the relationship, ma'am, because I know for myself that I don't know how to handle it. That's why,
That's very honest of you. Are you like no boyfriend since birth?
I have like one ex, ma'am.
Would you recommend an older foreigner date a Filipina in her early 20s?
Yes, ma'am. I think foreigner are providers, ma'am. They have provider mindset. It doesn't matter if they have a lot of money. All I know is they provide and they know like how to make their wife happy, ma'am. That's what I know, ma'am, about them.
How long have you been single?
For like 2 years, ma'am.
2 years. Would you date a foreigner?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you studying or are you working now?
I'm working, but I will study soon.
What's your job?
I'm a counter at Jollibee. I'm a counter.
That's nice. Jollibee Chicken Joy. Our favorite. What's your name and age?
I'm Keisha po. I'm 21 years old.
Keisha?
Yes.
A beautiful name, Keisha. You're welcome. How are you tonight, Keisha?
I'm fine po. I'm a bit tired because I just finished my run tonight po.
That's wonderful. Okay, so Keisha, here's the question. Do you think young Filipinas are too immature and hard to handle in relationships?
I think this generation today is a bit immature when it comes to relationships since um, most of the time they find their partner through online and not knowing them more deeper. So basically, their lack of experience when it comes to relationship.
How about you?
Mm.
Yes.
I think I'm I'm easy to handle naman when it comes to relationship since I also have some excess and experience about love, and I'm also 21, so I think my experience enough for a relationship po.
To be matured enough and easy to handle. In your opinion, okay, an honest opinion, what's a good age for a Filipina to settle down, get married, and have children?
To settle down po, personally, my preference is at age of 28, then have kids at the age of 29.
Would you recommend an older foreigner date a Filipina in her early 20s?
For me, no. Um, Not being judgmental, but I prefer not older foreigner for a late 20s Filipina since it's not appropriate to but life is blind. Yun lang.
What's your name and age?
My name is Irish and I'm 24 years old.
How are you tonight, Irish?
I'm okay, just fine because like I just I just withdrawn something.
Okay. So here's the question. Do you think young Filipinas are too immature and hard to handle in relationships?
Um not I think I think no because like it, uh as a Filipina like we are like it's so common for us that we are like hospitable like that. So I don't think that we are not we are not immature like that.
You don't think Filipinas are too immature and hard to handle in relationships because you believe that Filipinas are hospitable.
Yeah.
Okay, how about you? Are you too immature and hard to handle in relationships?
No. I understand everything my boyfriend does. It's like they have their own life. So like I just we are just going with the flow like that.
In your opinion, what's a good age for a Filipina to settle down, get married, and have children?
I think mid 20s like 25 like that 26 or 28 because you don't want to have a child when you are already 30 years old because when you have a child when you are 30 years old your child could be like when you are 10 or 20 like that but I can
I think you're saying that if a Filipina gives birth at the age of 30,
Yeah.
by the time her child is 10 years old,
Yeah.
she's gonna be like 40 years old.
yeah, like that. So I am like I'm voting for like 20 mid 20s like that. 25, 24, 28 like that. It's 20s.
Okay. Okay. Now, would you recommend an older foreigner date a Filipina in her early 20s?
I think it's ano it's more on preference. I actually don't recommend it but it's like I can express it but it's more on the preference of the person. If they want a foreigner then they just go but for me I just don't recommend it.
Are you studying or you're working now?
I am currently working at a hospital.
What are your names and ages?
I am Des and I'm 22 years old.
I am Nami and I am 22 years old.
Are you too immature and hard to handle in relationships? Let's start with you. Yes or no?
I think no.
I think no.
Okay. In your opinion, what's a good age for a Filipina to settle down, get married, and have children?
Um for me, um I will settle if I my if I'm fully accomplish my dreams. For what age? For example, around 30. or 28, something like that. Because I'm 22 years old right now, but I think I'm 30 years old.
Me also. I think 30 to 35 since as graduating student at the age of 22, we're still aiming for we're still building our career. So as of now, our focus is to
Achieve that goal, that dream.
goals to be stable, financially stable, and um before settling down, it is important to have a stable financial status and I think a stable job.
Would you recommend an older foreigner date a Filipina in her early 20s? Yes or no?
I think it depends. Older,
For example,
for example, what age?
For example, 40 years old and above.
in what age of
Early 20s.
Early 20s. I
Would you recommend? Yes or no?
no. Because I think the age of 20s are for women to to make her own career before before getting into a relationship. She should have a stable job and um not to depend on others.
for me it depends. Because um if someone in 20 years old and up and 40 years old foreigner and up, I think it's common interest like that. And if mutual in common interest like that, like for example, they they are their mutual interest is, for example, is volleyball, watching movies, or like financing stocks, etc. like that. It depends, I think.
So if they have the same interest in life, it could be possible that they could be together. Okay. So that's why your answer is depends. Are you both singles or are you in a relationship?
Secret single
Secret. You're both studying, right? May we know what's your courses?
accounting information system.
Accounting information system.
Both. Wow, that's really beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections